Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the NG models Boeing 737-800 in the new livery for American Airlines. So I have not released a video in quite a while, or just an airport update. I missed that week. Sorry about that, but to make it up for it, this will be the first release of 6 new models. The NG models: FedEx Boeing 757-200, Gemini Jets FedEx 757-200, Gemini Jets Colorado 1, 737-700, Gemini Jets Delta 757-200, and NG models Delta 757-200 and the Sky Team. So let's get on to the model or box. We have Boeing 737-800. The aircraft, American, registration, November 920, November. NG models, 1 to 400, scale, collectible model, die-cast metal, produced under license, Boeing, and 737, I can't read that, I don't know if you can, but there it is, Boeing 737, NG, American, and not going to read that, it's just Boeing 737-800, NG, the aircraft and registration, November 920, November, Boeing 737-800, NG models, American, 1 to 400, scale, collectible model, die-cast metal, and Boeing 737-800, NG, American, regular, November 920, November. And just on the back, we have a list of warnings, NG models, aircraft, and trademark, American Airlines, and the item number. So let's open the model. Here is the model in the casing. Let's just get it out. And there is the model. So to start off the model and higher detail, we have the nose cone, the cockpit windows, pitot tubes. I think this is 73-8, standing for 737-800. The cockpit door, or not cockpit door, just the door of the aircraft. We have the long NG models 800 nose gear, which is something I don't like about it. Really, we have the American livery. We have windows going out through the aircraft. And moving on, we have the end of it, the engine right here, and the wing going up, fuel tanks, and the nice winglet. I like these more than the other split scimitars. We have I think beacon light or navigation light. The antenna, the overwing exits, and I think there's a landing light right there. It's hard to see. We go down, more windows, the gear underneath right there and the American flag, November 920 NN, the back door, and then starting the tail. There it is. So we have the tail, the rudder, and the horizontal stabilizer and vertical stabilizer. And then last for the plane, we have the APU exhaust. So going on to the other side, it looks exactly the same. And front view of the aircraft, and the back view of the aircraft, the top view of the aircraft, the bottom view of the aircraft, all gear roll, which is something I like a lot more than the Gemini Jets one. And there is 2 antennas right here, and one kind of towards the front a bit more. So that is the unboxing of the American Airlines Boeing 737-800 by NG models. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and see you in the next unboxing.